So this is the block diagram of our encoding scheme. This is usually called as a block encoder. Why this is block encoder? This work on block of codes of m input symbols of size k0 bit. Right. Then this m bit is called each k0 block is called information frame. So m such number of frames, and there is this encoder has two parts. One is memory non-shift register, and second one is logic circuit. As you can see here, there are m number of k0 bit blocks and one logic. You will see in next example. So simple logic will be either XORing of any sequence of bits, right? And one more thing, this encoder doesn't work on only current k0 number of bits. This also works on one k0 block bit of past input sequence, right? So that's why this is called convolutional code, because the past input bit had, suppose this is the k0 bit, right? And this register is holding up the recent k0 number of bits in this block encoder. This k0 m number of k0 bits of recent inputs and one k0 bit or block of input sequence. This works on this logic circuit, and this provides or gives one output known as code word frame of each n0 bit, right? And subsequently in each clock this will give one n0 bit block of output, right? So the code rate is this at this stage, this will be k0 by n0, right? Now this is known as tree code, right? Or tree code or trellis code. The simultaneous code is a tree code and trellis code. Why tree? As you can see, as water goes from this root, then from this trunk to the branches, then leaves, right? Similarly, the sequence input sequence comes. You will choose m number of k0 blocks. Last k0 block, one k0 block, will apply the logic and gives one subsequent output block of n0 side. So that's why this is called tree code. Now this works on the infinite symbols of sets. Like here you are taking 0 and 1 bit, and upon Galois field of q. Here q is equal to 2. And one more definition, the word length will be k, which is given by m plus 1, because m number of k0 bits and 1 k0 bits here, so m plus 1 k0, and the block length will be n, which is m plus 1 plus n0. Similarly, m plus 1 number of n0 bits will be given by the block code. So this is given by m plus 1 into n0, which is further you can see here m plus 1 is equal to, right, here k into n0 by k0. So let's see in one example. So in this example we will see one convolutional code scheme, encoding scheme, where n0 k0 code, it is linear, time invariant and finite word length. Now here in this example, if you see k0 bit of input symbol are coming. Here k0 is 1 bit, either 0 or 1. n0, here the output will be of 2 bit, right?